it is Jeanette, and today we are going to be doing the Boxycharm unboxing slash first impressions. This is for the month of November, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. And this is what it looks like inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this first thing here. It looks like some tools. I got the Farrah tweezers. Let's see if I can open them. Ouch. No, I can't open them just yet. Well, they are very sharp, so, whoa, they're double-ended. One's looks like this, and one looks like that. So I guess I'm gonna pull out a mirror and see if I can't pluck. Ooh, they work really nice. I don't know what the sharp ones are for, but yeah, they're definitely sharp. They're the Farrah by the company Farrah brushes. These retail for $12. So that's that. The next thing that I'm going to try is, I have some of these brushes already, but just different colors. It's the Luxie brushes, the premium synthetic handcrafted ones. But it won't open for me. And they're gold tipped. Ooh, they're gold tipped. So you kind of have like your small blending brush, your stippling brush, it's kind of slanted, an angled brush, and another blending brush. And they have this gold detailing on the bottom, which is pretty nice because I have the pink. What I'm gonna pull out is this makeup brush cleaner by Bodyography Pro, and it's kind of like the one that I got from Sephora. I mean, it smells like cleanser, so if these bad boys get dirty, then I can go ahead and use these. But the brushes and the brush cleaner actually retails for, so the brushes retail for $21, and then the makeup brush cleanser retails for $12. So that's already good. So $65 just with these three products. That's actually really good. So the next thing that I'm gonna pull out is, and I didn't put on my foundation yet because I knew that this was coming. This is the Cover FX glitter drops. Now I don't know how to use this. Now it's in the color Nova, and they're so pretty. I don't know if this is just like a highlight or how to use this, but let me see if they give me some guidance to it. There's that. This retails for $44. Yikes, I don't know if I would do that, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply this and my foundation so that way we can get a good look on. So I went ahead and put foundation on this side of my face, but if you can still see, I have a lot of glitter on this side and it's very textured. So I feel like that's not a really good look for me. And then on this side, yes, you see a little bit of the glitter, but that's because I use the same beauty blender in order to do it. Now, so the next one I'm gonna do is the Ace Beauty Grandoise palette. And then this one retails for, I think, $24.99. Yes, $24.99. And I'm going to see if I can do a look with this, this palette. And I'm going to try for a more bold look, and hopefully it goes right. So it looks like this. So hopefully it looks good, and we're gonna try it. We're gonna go for it. So I'm going to be taking this tapered brush here and just dipping it into, I think, rose, and seeing how that goes for me, because I've never done a bold look. So, ooh, it's definitely pigmented. So we're going with it. And then I think next I'm gonna go ahead and take this big tapered brush. It's from a different line, and I'm gonna go into Poppy right here. It's a little bit darker, and kind of tap off the rest. And just go in the outer V here. And just kind of work in those colors. And then what I'm gonna do is trying to bring in that gold color is I'm probably going to highlight like the crease with this clove color and then put gold on top of it. So we'll see how that goes. So put that as my base. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of these drops and see if I can't make this like an eyeshadow. So I'm just putting one little bit like so. I'm going to put this on my eyelid. And so what I'm gonna do over here, I'm gonna finish blending in that poppy color a little bit more into the gold. To make it a little bit darker. And bring the color into the gold. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take the mini round brush and I'm going to go ahead and fill in. I'm going to go ahead and take that rose kind of color and put it under my eyelash, my lower lash line, and kind of bring in the color too. And then, so once I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and take the other brush. Where is it? This angled brush. And I'm gonna go ahead and take Jasmine and highlight my inner corner and my brow. To bring in more of that gold. And then if you want, you can go ahead and fix up like the gold. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. this is the finished look. What I did was add eyeliner to the bottom lash line as well as some mascara. Liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, turn on the notification bell so that way you guys are updated every time I posted, and like, comment, and subscribe what your favorite item was in this Boxycharms box. And just to let you guys know, this is not sponsored, and my social medias will be linked down below if you guys want to talk to me, or if you guys just want to chit chat and show me your tips and tricks on makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out from Jeanette.